Jule.
Welcome to Hikkim, world's highest post office.
And I'm knee, knee deep in snow. Good morning from Kaza. So, all that 1 second. Let's just tap myself first. Not happening as of now. Okay, let's go manual mode. Let's see that. I'm on top of the terrace here, on the roof of the place that we stayed. So, completely white. This is what you come to see. This is white Spiti. I'm not wearing my gloves. It's getting really cold. The temperature is about minus 10 I guess, and they have this buhari, I think is what you call it. Which is always burning to keep yourself warm inside. So I'm just using the exhaust of that buhari to keep myself warm here. There are a lot of dogs barking. Just don't mind. Enjoy the scenery here. Okay, it's getting way too cold up. I need to get something warm to wear. So,
Sir, good morning.
good morning, sir.
You get ready?
I'm ready. All set.
All set?
Ready for breakfast.
In that bucket, water is there, no?
Yeah, it should be there.
Thank you.
Let's go get our hands warmed up first. It's freezing, freezing, freezing. This is a room for 4 people. And there is another one there. Come out to the common area. There, that warmer, room warmer. Then we come out to this view here. It's time for breakfast. Let's go around. And dining area.
Finally, this is out.
Yeah, I got time to get the gimbal out finally. After all the wait. So what's special for breakfast today?
Burji. Egg burji. Butter, bread.
Super.
जी आपके लिए लाओ टी
नहीं
Am I on video?
Yes, you are.
This is not my third round.
All got started. All set to explore Kaza. Ready हो? Ready हो गया?
बढ़िया से
मंजीत भाई तो आराम है. झूले.
-20
20 नहीं है, क्यों झूठ बोल रहा है? झूठ ऐसे मत बोलो। -8 या 6 है क्या? हाँ, -6, 8 कुछ होगा बस, और कुछ नहीं। So Rishi sir is here. He's from Indore.
Indore, MP.
MP वाला भी है. So this is Asia's highest suspension bridge, which has a direct fall to the river here. Just see that fall. This falls straight down. See that? It's quite long as well. It's not that small now. The drop is deep. So we were actually supposed to go to Key Monastery, but we thought we'd come to the end, finish the visit to the bridge, and now head back. Since it's the same route, we'll go towards Key Monastery now. Where are we going next? Key Monastery?
Next is Key Monastery and then Langza to
We'll go to
visit
Langza
the
to-
Buddha statue.
Yeah, we have 3 more places to cover as of now. We've done 1, 4 for today. Then 1 is done and 3 more to go. So let's get going. So we're riding on the roof. I'm not having protective gear now. See that? It's a bumpy ride, but yeah, it's fun to ride like this as well. Snow everywhere. Okay, this is the path we are walking through, and I'm knee knee deep in snow. Oh, socks is all getting wet.
That's bad news.
My eyes are getting all pokey. I can't see the snow for too long. I lost my goggles for leaving from Bangalore, so it's too lazy to go pick up a new one. And now I'm bearing the brunt of that. Mara! About 2-3 foot deep snow. Since you know the first ones to walk, there's a path formed here. It's quite easy.
स्टोन है कि लेपर्ड है?
Leopard है ना? Stone and leopard laying down.
देखो हिला ना हिला
हाँ 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 हाँ
हिला हिला देखो
Moving, yeah.
हाँ, yes,
But just little bit, okay?
The people there were shooting some wildlife documentary had spotted the snow leopard there. So I had a small chat with them and he was kind enough to show us where the leopard and it was sleeping. It was lovely. But it was quite far. No pictures. Not happening unless we have the proper equipment for this. So the road where we came to spot the peckers, that is the snow leopard area, was a dead end. So our drivers made way to take a U-turn, but this vehicle came after that, so nothing's way out.
आप कहाँ मिलाएंगे
अरे ब्रेक नीचे मत जाने दे भाई, चल बेड़ा पार हो गया. So we're at Key Monastery. This is the entrance with a lot of snow and ice as usual. We made it here. Not supposed to make any noise, not supposed to talk too much, so this was one temple and that was the other one there. Not supposed to record inside, so not doing it. Going down.
ऊपर आ जाइए. हाँ जी.
ये क्या है
यहाँ अंदर मंदिर है. तो आप लोग चाय ले लो.
Okay, so we
आइए
have
जी.
been offered tea. आधा कप बस.
यहाँ आ जाइए. अंदर की.
ये जलाने का है, कितने का है ये?
ये 50 का है, ये 100 का है. आप यहाँ रख दो, शाम को मैं साथ में जला दूंगा. सारे मंदिरों में जलाते हैं ना.
अच्छा ठीक है जी.
So you pay for the lamp now. They were lighted together in the evening once. So different prices for different sizes. So I opted for a normal one. You pay and drop the money in the box there. We've come to a fuel station, but this fuel station is quite special. Special in the sense, you know why? This is the world's highest retail outlet by Indian Oil. It is at a height of 12,270 feet. That is equivalent to 3,740 meters above sea level. At Himachal Pradesh. That's the board there. And not lucky enough to bring the bike and fuel here, but we'll do it next time. We fuel the car this time. Welcome to Hikkim, world's highest post office. So we made it here. Cars are parked here. Very slushy roads, very bad roads.
So we'll go. He'll post a few letters, send it home. That's what we do. That's what everyone does. Follow. We have another 50 meters to walk. That's the boat. Hello? चलिए सर. खुला है कि नहीं? बंद है. आ रहे नहीं. We made it to the post office. It is right there, but it's closed. So finally we managed to find the postmaster. He works here from 1983. Bangalore.
ये लांगजा का वो बुद्धा स्टैचू है ना, वो बंद है क्या?
बंद तो रोड खराब होगा उस साइड पे ना. उधर से जाना पड़ेगा आगे से. यहाँ से डायरेक्ट नहीं.
No snowfall I thought. This snowfall.
की देख के आ रहा है वो है चिचम ब्रिज, उसके बाद की मोनास्ट्री, उसके बाद यहाँ आ रहा है.
Hey, it is snowing.
स्नो.
This is snow.
स्नोफॉल देखना मस्त.
Is there no snow? This is only snowfall. This is very little snowfall.
बहुत छोटा है. बड़े बड़े आओ नीचे आओ.
पोस्ट कार्ड उधर ही है.
हाँ नीचे.
पोस्ट कार्ड स्टैम्प वो सब नीचे.
सब नीचे.
ए उड़ गए लोग. वो दीदी कहीं गई, पोस्ट कार्ड पूछे हम. कहीं ऊपर गई.
कौन सा दीदी?
जो अंदर से है, जो ब्लैक वाला स्नोफॉल बनता है.
अंदर आ सकते हैं.
हाँ. हाय.
हेलो.
Okay na. Yes. So finally, I typed, written one message to myself.
थैंक यू. ये बचा हुआ.
40
लो.
अच्छा.
ये तेरे लिए. ठीक है. वो एक ही था, याद आया.
आपका नाम क्या है सर जी?
मेरा नाम है रिंचन छरी.
We managed to find the postmaster itself. Went into his residence where he lives right below it. That's the office. And posted all our letters. Barley.